See here is get out of the way. As we see here is Natalie in her natural habitat, texting on her phone
On Discord!
Okay, Jaden, we get it. What do you gotta say?
I'm Pennywise!
You're not Pennywise. As we see here is the wild Natalie on her phone.
Shut up! I'm
What
the
is
wild
she?
one!
No, you're not. Okay, what is she tell? She's on Discord. As we see here, we're leaving her natural habitat. And we're going into this one's habitat. What is your name here, sir?
Sir?
What is your name?
You just call me sir?
No, I said ma'am.
You're a liar! Liar!
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Pennywise. Nice to meet you.
You're not Pennywise.
I can do the dance. Oh my god! Oh my god, we're getting lots of water now!
Okay, no. Okay, Natalie, what's wrong?
I'm gonna rip that finger off.
As we see here, we're on an adventure with the wild Natalie and the wild Pennywise.
Yay!
And we're all here. And I'm not showing my face, of course.
Oh, don't forget Pluto. Oh,
Get out of my face. No.
beautiful face.
Oh, beautiful. Okay. For now, we'll wait and see what these wild two do. The wild show. Wait, and we see here this girl is lonely. Get out of the way. She's lonely.
What?
She needs a nothing. And we see the wild Jaden over here. Of course.
It's Pennywise!
Oh, no. Pennywise belongs in the sewer.
My sewer's right here.
This is not a sewer. I am sorry, sir, but you have been debunked as not the real Pennywise.
She called you a sir. Well, you're dead too.
A lot of zooming in. What do you got to say about the show?
You'll float too.
Are you sure about that, ma'am?
I'm supposed to say you float too.
Is that correct, ma'am?
Yep.
Okay.
Man.
This has been, okay, this is the end of our little show with the wild Natalie and the wild Pennywise. See you later.